shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for February 13th, 2020. You guys have one more day to go out and get some chocolate. But let's start with the SPY. We are going to be bullish above 336 today and bearish below 335. Our first target would be the dark pool level that we had recently. And moving down should be an interesting day. We did come down to the 4 EMA and we've held it. So that's pretty key on this daily chart. If we cannot, okay, look out below 335 is the next major level. So really important levels right here. We're stuck in the middle. Okay, let's go to the ES. E-minis, bullish above 33.60. And we just went above that. And bearish below 33.46 for the E-minis. Let's go to the Russell. Bullish above 168. Bearish below 166.75. A lot of stuff is stuck right on the 4 EMA, just sitting on it. So there's a lot of the same patterns. Are we going to hold and move up higher? Or are we going to go down and go to the 8? So that's pretty much what I'm watching across the board on so many of these stocks and indexes. The QQQ, bullish above 234 and bearish below 231.80. The NASDAQ futures, bullish above 95.50 and bearish below 95.10. I did the Dow futures today, bullish above 29,350 and bear below 29,243. Let's go to oil. Oil's been crazy, up and down, up and down. We've been pretty much boomeranging between those two trend lines that I've been pointing out to you. That's why. When you have two algos working, yeah, that's why we've been getting buy, sell, buy, sell. Yeah, they've been totally battling it out. And so really in the bigger picture, you know, if we go below where these wicks are on the weekly chart, if we close below that, look out below. But if we climb up, I like the 52.50 level again for the longer term. That would be bullish for oil. So really waiting to see how they play out. But in the meantime, we're just going to play pivot pong and trend line pong. So today we're going to be bullish above 51.20. Yep, we hit it. Yep, we really need to clear this Camarilla. If we do, we'll go and play trend line pong again. Bearish below 50. All right, that's a pretty key level for, oh, you know what? I think it's supposed to be 50-50. Sorry, it's 50-50. I was going to say that's really far below. 50, I missed the 5 there. 50-50. In fact, just give me one moment to send this out on the app again and put a correction. Correction bear level 50-50 on oil futures. Okay. Perfect. Haven't gone there yet. Okay, so let's go to gold. Gold is rallying this morning. Yeah, we did a little bit of an up thrust here though. Yeah, 1580 key level, but we've up thrusted it. So bullish above today, 1582.50. Bearish below 1576. Yeah, we've been testing that level a little bit right here this morning. Yeah, let's see where we go. If we come back down and we can't hold there, look out below, or we may bust a move through R2. Yeah, it's really trying. We just had some pretty big volume come right in. So we'll see where that goes. GFI is a gold stock that had earnings. And let's see where that guy is. We spotted a buyer this morning at 644. That's exactly where they keep taking it down. And the guy was spoofing. Yep, this guy right here. Spoofing up and down. Yep, he likes to buy at 644. and he keeps pretending that he's selling, and then he moved it all the way up to 659 and then back down again. It's been really fun to watch this. A really great learning of how these guys do that. But we're bullish above 650, and you know, I was bearish below 620, but I kind of want to change that to 630 right now. I'm going to be bearish below 630, making a change. And our target's going to be 620, our first target. Yep, so give me a moment to just send this out. Yeah, only because we've been spotting that price action. And so if we do go below that, that guy's not going to be happy. So GFI, new trade setup on bear side. All right. All right, so definitely watch those levels. All right, Teva, and 630 is below the 8 EMA, so that's good. Teva had a massive print on it yesterday, 2.2 million. Great bull trade. The whisper was great, and then bam, 2.2 million came in at 1350. So yeah, we're below it. Bearish. Yeah, bearish below that print. 1325 is the next level. I'm only going to be bullish if we go up and break above 1350. As always, higher risk involved in trading anything that has pharmaceutical in the title. Teva is one of the exceptions that I make, but because it does have a lot of volume, but there's always high risk. I prefer options when trading it, and the options are pretty good. AMD, bullish above 54.20. We did the retracement trade yesterday. Right, so when I have on the whisper, this is yesterday's whisper, when I have on the whisper bearish below 54, and see we did the retracement to the 4 EMA. Yep, it happened overnight. It was a great retracement swing trade. Today, I really want to go above 54.20, and I'm going to be bearish below 52.75. Let's go to BABA. BABA, bullish above 220. And bearish below 216. Yeah, if we do start to head down, all right, and break below 216, there's a really nice trade setup to the 50 simple moving average on the daily chart. I'm always looking at the daily chart. That's my secret to short-term trading. All right, GLD, 148.50 key level on the bull side. 147.50 key level on the short side. All right, let's go to Apple. Apple, bullish above 325.50 and bearish below 321.50. I'm using that recent print that we had, 322.88. Yeah, we really have to go below that. And what it did was a retracement trade to the 8 this morning and pretty much bounced back up again. Yeah, and there's computers programmed to buy when it comes down to it and sell when it goes up to it. So let's go to GDX. Yeah, so GDX, I put in the whisper, but you know, I really like the bull trade above these moving averages. We have a small little trade up to it, but really this is the bigger trade to the upside. I'd much rather trade GLD. It's much stronger than the miners if I'm going long. And if we do break above that level, I'll be looking at the 150 calls for next week. Yeah, those are pretty cheap to play it. All right, but again, if you like GDX, this is really the key level. I expect it to hit this wall, pull back, and then a second test if it can go up. It's going to be amazing. If not, we're not going to take it. Okay, let's see what happens. BE. Bloom Energy. Yep, pretty much came all the way down and hit all those moving averages. Yeah, so where is it going to go now? Well, it's got to make a decision. Is it going to move up higher and retrace back to the 8 EMA, so bullish above 9, or is it going to turn down and retest the 200 area? So bullish above 9, bearish below 850. And there's a seller at 920. So I'm going to change that. 920. You know, again, if my target's 925 and I do see a seller there, I'm going to get out at 919 actually. I'm going to cut him. All right, let me just post this as a change. Yeah, you definitely want to cut the guy that's selling. Or you're not going to get done if you wait for him to get done first. So I'm just going to write BE change of first target on bull side, on bullish above. Okay. SPCE. Christina called this one out. Awesome. I really love it. Bullish above 23 and bearish below 2180 for SPCE. And that's it, you guys. There you have it. Those are the whispers for February 13th. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody tomorrow.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret.